The universe is awash in energy. Stars, like our sun, are colossal fusion reactors, spewing forth light and heat. Now we stand at the precipice of a new era, an era where we can capture and store the sun's power with unprecedented efficiency. This is the dawn of solar supremacy, and it promises to reshape our world. Solar energy presents a beacon of hope. It is abundant, inexhaustible, and environmentally benign. Unlike fossil fuels, solar power generates no harmful emissions. Rapid advancements in solar technology are the true game changer. The quest for more powerful and efficient solar cells has led scientists down fascinating paths. One promising avenue involves the use of new materials, such as perovskites. These materials convert sunlight into electricity with greater efficiency than traditional silicon-based solar cells. Imagine a world where solar panels are not only more efficient but also cheaper and more flexible. This is the promise of perovskite solar technology. Another exciting development is the emergence of tandem solar cells. These devices combine different materials to capture a wider range of the solar spectrum. These cutting-edge technologies are driving down the cost of solar energy at an unprecedented rate. The advantages of solar power extend far beyond its environmental benefits. Compared to traditional batteries, solar cells offer a compelling suite of advantages that make them a game changer in the realm of energy storage and consumption. First and foremost, solar cells are inherently sustainable. They draw their power from the sun, an inexhaustible energy source that will continue to shine for billions of years. Unlike batteries, which rely on finite resources and often involve toxic chemicals in their production and disposal, solar cells offer a clean and sustainable alternative. Moreover, solar cells can generate electricity at the point of use, eliminating the need for extensive and costly transmission infrastructure. This is particularly beneficial in remote areas or developing countries where access to reliable electricity grids is limited. Imagine villages in the Amazon rainforest or the African savanna powered by the sun, free from the constraints of traditional power lines. Furthermore, solar cells are remarkably durable and require minimal maintenance. Once installed, they can operate for decades with minimal degradation, providing a reliable and long-term energy solution. This is in stark contrast to batteries, which have a limited lifespan and require regular replacement, leading to additional costs and environmental concerns. The advantages of solar power are undeniable. As technology continues to advance and costs continue to decline, solar energy is poised to become the dominant energy source of the 21st century. The transformative potential of solar energy is not merely a theoretical concept. Around the world, innovative projects and prototypes are showcasing the real-world applications of this revolutionary technology. One compelling example is the rise of solar-powered vehicles. Electric cars, buses, and even trucks are hitting the roads powered by the sun's energy. These vehicles produce zero tailpipe emissions, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and combating air pollution. Imagine a future where our cities are no longer choked by smog, and the air we breathe is clean and healthy. Another exciting development is the emergence of solar-powered homes. Rooftop solar panels are becoming increasingly common, allowing homeowners to generate their electricity and reduce their carbon footprint. Some homes are even designed to be energy neutral, producing as much energy as they consume. This shift towards energy independence empowers individuals and reduces our collective impact on the planet. In developing countries, solar energy is bringing light and hope to communities that have long lived without access to electricity. Off-grid solar systems are providing power for homes, schools, and hospitals, improving living standards and fostering economic development. The power of the sun is transforming lives and illuminating a brighter future. Section 5. The future is bright. Solar's trajectory. The future of solar energy is dazzlingly bright. As technology continues its relentless march forward, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of this game-changing energy source. One area of intense research is the development of transparent solar cells. Imagine windows that double as solar panels, seamlessly integrating energy generation into our buildings. This breakthrough could revolutionize architecture and urban planning, transforming our cities into vertical powerhouses. Another promising avenue is the integration of solar technology into everyday objects. From backpacks and clothing to smartphones and laptops, imagine a world where the devices we use every day are powered by the sun. This seamless integration of solar power could liberate us from the tyranny of wall sockets and charging cables. The implications of these advancements are profound. As solar technology becomes more efficient, affordable, and ubiquitous, it has the potential to revolutionize our energy grid, transportation systems, and even our built environment. Section 6. Overcoming challenges. A look at the hurdles. While the future of solar energy is undeniably bright, some challenges must be addressed to fully realize its transformative potential. One significant hurdle is the intermittency of solar power. The sun, while a reliable source of energy, doesn't shine constantly. Clouds, nighttime, and seasonal variations can all affect solar energy production. To overcome this challenge, researchers are developing advanced energy storage solutions such as improved batteries and pumped hydro storage to ensure a consistent and reliable energy supply. Another challenge is the land use requirements for large-scale solar farms. While solar panels have a relatively small footprint compared to other forms of energy generation, deploying solar energy on a massive scale will require careful planning and consideration of land use priorities. Fortunately, advancements in solar technology, such as bifacial solar panels that capture sunlight from both sides, are increasing energy yield and reducing land requirements. Addressing these challenges through continued research, technological innovation, and supportive policies will be crucial to unlocking the full potential of solar energy and transitioning to a cleaner, more sustainable energy future. Section 7. The Socioeconomic Impact. A solar-powered world. The widespread adoption of solar energy promises not only environmental benefits but also profound socioeconomic impacts, reshaping industries, creating jobs, and fostering global energy independence. The transition to a solar-powered economy will create millions of new jobs in manufacturing, installation, maintenance, and research. As solar energy becomes more affordable and accessible, it will empower individuals and communities, providing access to clean and reliable electricity. Furthermore, solar energy can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, mitigating the geopolitical tensions associated with energy dependence. Countries that embrace solar power will be less vulnerable to price volatility and supply disruptions, enhancing their energy security and economic stability. The shift to a solar-powered world will also have a profound impact on public health. By reducing air pollution, solar energy can improve respiratory health, reduce healthcare costs, and enhance overall well-being. The benefits of clean air and a healthy environment are immeasurable. Section 8. Our shared solar future. The transition to a solar-powered future requires a collective effort. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have a role to play in embracing this transformative technology. Policymakers can incentivize solar adoption through tax credits, rebates, and net metering policies. They can also invest in research and development to accelerate technological advancements and drive down costs. By creating a supportive policy environment, governments can unlock the full potential of solar energy and accelerate the transition to a clean energy future. Businesses can play a crucial role by investing in solar energy for their operations. From installing rooftop solar panels on factories and office buildings to transitioning their fleets to electric vehicles, businesses can reduce their carbon footprint, enhance their sustainability, and demonstrate leadership in the fight against climate change. Individuals can also make a difference by choosing solar energy for their homes. By installing solar panels, homeowners can reduce their electricity bills, shrink their carbon footprint, and contribute to a cleaner, more sustainable energy grid. Every solar panel installed brings us one step closer to a brighter future. Section 9. Conclusion: Embracing the solar revolution. The future of energy is bright, powered by the inexhaustible energy of the sun. Solar energy offers a clean, sustainable, and affordable alternative to fossil fuels, with the potential to revolutionize our world. As technology continues to advance and costs continue to decline, solar power is poised to become the dominant energy source of the 21st century. The transition to a solar-powered future will not be without its challenges. But by embracing innovation, fostering collaboration, and implementing supportive policies, we can overcome these hurdles and unlock the full potential of this transformative technology. The time to act is now. Let us embrace the solar revolution and create a brighter, more sustainable future for generations to come.